and Bugal sang Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo, owned and managed by Mr. Robert Obit Aguasito. Kabod ang iya Chief Technician Mr. Jason Cano Aguinaga, powered by Bontres Amplifiers and Hulu Speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Boss. 27.
Pira.
Kura, ula, again. Okay, so once again, congratulations.
This is Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile o Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo, powered by Bantres Audio.
Congratulations, Macbacan and Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile. Showdown lang niya, why isang nagdaog, why man sang naperdi. Para lang mabalaan na doon sa aton sila mga bisita. And